back to Uncle Bud's Cookhouse. It's Thanksgiving, that means cranberry sauce. Now this is my family's favorite recipe, and I hope it is yours too. So what we got here is a fine cranberry sauce. It comes prepackaged in a nice tin can. We've taken the lid off already. This has been chilled in the refrigerator. Always chill. Now we'll invert it. Pop a couple holes in the back. You got a church key or knife and just pop it like so. Helps release. Give it a little bit of a shake. Look how nice that came out. Now we'll gently lay it on its side. You'll see the manufacturers are generous and gave us guidelines for when we slice this, which we'll do now. And always use the proper tool for the proper job. Like so. So here, keep your fingers tucked back. Gently, now you might feel a little resistance here. But just carefully slice like so. Like that. Now this is not the best cranberry sauce you've ever had. I don't know what is. There we go. Like so. Beautiful. Your guests will thank you. Your budget will thank you. Everybody will thank you. Happy Thanksgiving.